When I went to school in Tel Aviv after that, it may strike you strange, but the mantra was, we are the new generation. We are the new Jews. We are going to build it. All those people who perished, we feel sorry for them, but why did they wait so long? Why did they wait? And this is a very interesting question, because if you take Poland, Poland had all these youth organizations, Jewish youth organizations. They had training for kibbutz living, Hebrew. The labor movement was very strong. And so few left to come to Palestine, to Israel. And that is I brought this up once at a group of survivors, and they all got angry at me because, as if I'm accusing them. In a sense, it was the feeling among the youth in Israel that they should have come, and also we learned to dislike Yiddish, because Yiddish was considered the language of the diaspora, and we are the new Jews, we speak Hebrew. And I suppose this sustained the people, and when people say today, well, Israel was built by the survivors, I don't think that is accurate, because there were 600,000 people there who built a lot. So it's a mixed bag.